Sngi kedai bati CTV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman ke Sngi. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan Lums Hop Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Iway di Tarik case, iway hard worker, iway di napok jail road cluster, iway napok madam beting cluster, iway napok Maulai cluster, Maulai for Mauri, Nyupusang. Kentorba cluster, Sao, Lingka, iway, Sosun cluster, iway. West Garo Hills, Arfun Rail, High Risk, Arfusat, hard worker, iway. Ribhoi, Sam, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, iway, but high risk belongs South. East Garo Hills, Sun, high risk South, health worker, iway. East Jingpyntip Hills, South, high risk line, but the factory to Bradhapo, East Jingpyntip Hills, iway. South Garo Hills, South, the high risk case. West Jingpyntip Hills, South, the high risk. North Garo Hills, iway, the high risk case. Bang yo report Mynta kasi iway day kau Jupiter thaba nrip sang senam karta ide na po lum darbar apa lum paring ida koi hapo Negrams Emergency Department haka new Tarik berai September 2004 but hapor bagi tes i syam bailong negatif ila naik poi syap hospital tu namar ba idan Jingpyntip Kiba bonjai tigla sumari dan namar bai long expose dan ia kendu ia ibril ibalong positif kila dia yang ia tes haka sal Tarik Oktober 2004 but kilap bailong positif yang COVID-19. Kila sumari nrai namar ga Jingpyntip la krat no hak khatlai Tarik Oktober 2004 hak por sipo uji menmir. Kadal tu gajing klat dan ke cause of death kelong type 1 respiratory failure with sepsis with COVID pneumonia. The contributing causes lane comorbidities be done, hypothyroidism with anemia, with chronic liver disease, but kiwe Jingpyntip badai nekmi Kiba iladon luka. Mr. Sagar Barwa, Prafu Arsenam Karta, Shanrang, Ipa Napo Thana Road, Police Bazaar. Ini kila wara siapa kila dia lami siapa Nazareth Hospital. Hak South Tarik ubenai Oktober 2004 tangba kila kono koi hospital kila benar dan kila declare kum ibarat khat apa dan broad death kata khat South Tarik Oktober 2004 hak por pravji step idan ke history ke ba yang dan ke diabetes but dan gajing pang shit kumba Sngi sharan wara shapo hospital basut thaba South Arsenal karta napo lao sotun lawan ini napo hapo Nazareth Hospital but kila gimeti haka khat Tarik Oktober 2004 kila tes i nam ta COVID but kila ilong positif kila ai ke jing subat ndai la khat no haka khat South Tarik Oktober 2004 haka por South Tank Janmir berkata kalau kita cardiac arrest. La declare ki bakat kum ki negative how 100 Tarik September Teman hakani pada bakibun hai positive case hang tu kidan gi baki kendu ni gibon kato kan ngot kuma laingot ye tigini gibrong expose ngi test yang kini giba along negative fu kila yung yo positive yang ni te kumang ina da ba umcha ba teng uni virus udang shed lane udang mi udang virus banyak kata ke bakiong ba dangi test yang kilang positive dan ni shed ki syam kilang positive begini pada kimdam symptom hapor baki yo ingat ko jingpang covid mencha kidan symptom kadang ibu iki baki institution ni kelambo iki poji te kata ka yu kadang study kadang ya tingin pet kinang mu tamba ni isolate iki yo katu pet chene ngam ong fimo kalau sada begini so see on Tuesday when we had given the details of the people who have passed away I think in the previous press briefings also we had made it very clear that when we have already given in the press briefing that I will not clarify anymore later if people call me at night or some other day. That if you need any clarification, it is here in this press briefing which we are having now twice a week. Now what I have seen in the paper, some of the I think one paper only I have seen, and there is a lot of concern also raised by our health professionals, then people from all walks of life regarding this wrong reporting. Because out there it was written, 21-year-old had succumbed to COVID. In the press briefing, I had made it very clear that there are cases where if they have succumb due to COVID, especially COVID pneumonia, I have said so. In this particular case, I have specifically mentioned that this is a case where they have referred from Ganesh Das Hospital to Negrams because of complications regarding her delivery. And I have contacted the doctors of Negrams, especially the nodal officer, and I have asked specifically about this. But when you have found this person and tested that she is positive, the test also was done in the Ganesh Das when she was there in the hospital on the 5th day with RT-PCR, and she had turned out to be negative. And by the time she had gone to Negrams, when they had tested again, that is about more than 10 days, they found her to be positive with CPNAT. I have asked specifically whether she passed away because of COVID or is it just because that she is positive. They said she had no signs, symptoms of COVID. She passed away because of the complications she was having. And that was, I had mentioned also here, it was puerperal sepsis. She had passed. So such type of reporting is misleading. It is cheap, it is unwanted, and we have been addressing the press every now and then. And we have seen that all who are present have always reported with responsibility. Responsibly, they have reported. But people who are not in the press briefing, based on speculation and assumption, painting a color or a different picture that, oh, another 21-year-old, what we are saying all this time is that it hits badly the people of extreme age, that means old age and young. That even a 21-year-old has died of COVID, that is very wrong. And I strongly request that such type of reporting is bad and is unwanted. But one more thing I want to make it very clear, that in spite of this type of reporting also, people don't believe anymore. They also have become very smart. They know what is right and what is wrong, and you will not be able to get away with such type of reporting with the people. And it is an English paper, so I know that most of the people who read English papers will understand that if there is any seriousness in the way that this pandemic behaves, we will inform you accordingly. Not that people will put words in our mouth. Kata kadai ke bangau, nandu niko ngiladak ong ba ini iba arfisna ikram kelhat dari na COVID, ilong positif, tambah iklat na kiwai pada Jingpang ke bangaladak ong kata kesiru bangam long wan batai namar ba kan kata pada ya kalau yang kejung. Kah kumka ban ong bal palat. Tang namar ba kajing sosi ba khat lu ada lupa tengin batai than yang kata long Ndai ngaladak ong igani ba ikram khat na COVID ndai kidan ki kini kot kuwar pada kamtam kawai kot kuwar karang lai ba kitho kabalong nalor hangir ikram dan press briefing kitho pada kabalong palat ke bamde bangigen scam bakani kom tho kibri rukianum nget but kinum sengap yakumi gini report ba lada kidon kinu kijingjang kibayade bat kani ke pandemic ya kani ke jingpar jong kunyang jingpang but nakaleng ke jong health department kadi bentuk sepada Jingpyntip kata ngamdan ia benturi kama nan ong yang saisin ba ini afwis nam ikong ibadai napo penusla ikram klat ko dinu covid isulong positive kajing klat kajing ide gede ni kiwei kijingpang kena next kamba ikot kuwar ibadan kajing kit but kajing start kin pechai pat ik Paidbah wan penplumari ki boleh sebut